Elliot, who's that a picture of? Who is that a picture of? Is that your mama? Can you say Dada? Can you say Dada? How about Dada? Can you say ball? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi. Elliot. Can you wave? Elliot, can you wave? Hi. 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 Can you say hi to your rocking moose? Oh, hi.